Hey, cadets! Hey, cadets! Exercise! Put! Two! Hey!
So the word of the day is pressure. Now pressure comes in different kinds of forms. Pressure can come from school, exams, relationships, bills, CST. What happens to coal when enough pressure is applied? It turns into a diamond, right? As you're going through CST, as you're going through this training, allow that pressure to enter your world.
Coming into high school, it's something that I envisioned myself doing in the military. My family's been in the military, so I kind of felt obligated to go that route as well. My grandparents were both officers, and then my uncles have all been in. My aunt actually went through ROTC right when I was a junior and senior in high school, so I had that ease of access to like what the life was like and everything like that. So when she commissioned, I was kind of like, okay, this seems right for me. She really liked it, so I thought it was something I could do as well. I'm trying to branch EOD, and then if I don't get that, my backup is like logistics or something. Because this morning we woke up at like 02:30. And then they brought us out here and you have no choice but to just do your best and, you know, no breakfast. You weren't really feeling too good. I mean, I wasn't hydrated at all, but I had to rise to the challenge because this was my only shot to do it. I had no other choice, so I had to come out here and give my best no matter how I was feeling. So I feel like the pressure and rising to it was a very good way to put how we were feeling today.